Are you some sort of sovereign citizen or something?
No, sir, I do not work for the police.
So, I do listen to pedophile music.
Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm driving to a pool tournament, and I see this cop on the side of the road. Where'd he go? Look at this, guys. I don't know what the hell's going on there, but they had all these guys on the ground, and yeah, there they go. They got them doing push-ups or something. It's gonna be hard to see. Yeah, they're making them do push-ups. There's an SUV. Where'd it go? There's a bunch of cops over there, and a van, and there's a Pasco County SUV right there, and they're making them do push-ups. I don't know if this is piggy training or what the hell it is, but it's weird. They got dudes on the side of the road. It's like 50 degrees, and they got them doing push-ups and like leg lifts on the side of the road. Wow, what in the world is going on here? Well, there you go. There they go. There they are. See them running? A whole group of them. There's about 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 16 cadets or troops or something. And there's a guy with a flashlight leading them and running. What in the world? And there's the police SUV right behind him. Where'd it go? Right there. Following him. And there's like a cop van or something. What in the world are they doing? Now they got him stopped again? And they're gonna make him do another exercise? Wow, this is silly. Alright, you don't see that every day. Gotta go. Alright, so I'm about to make a Yui. Oh, this guy's got a light out. That's tyrant bait right there. So you're gonna see him here in a second. That's weird, dude. Why would they do this on a busy highway? What if a car goes flying off the road and takes out 16 potential police officers? We wouldn't want that to happen. That would suck. Who else is going to enforce bicycle citations and address citations? There they are. Look at that crap. What is this weird, dude? Talk about a distraction. Look at that. They got them all laying on the ground all weird. That is so weird.